Alright, welcome back to a very quick tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to look at how to enable file info PHP extension. Okay, so if you are installing a script and then you come across this file extension not enabled. So there are a number of file extensions, but in this case, your cPanel account has this file info PHP extension that is not enabled. Okay, and that is what we are going to fix. So what you're going to do is to return to your cPanel account. Using your search tool, just type in PHP version or select PHP version, and right here we have the select PHP version. Go ahead and open that. And now once the window loads, you realize that it's the same page that you used to change your PHP version. Okay, now navigate to extensions. Under extensions, scroll down to the list of extensions that are in the F category. Okay, so we have F, and then you have these categories FTP, filter, and all of those enabled. Okay, so go ahead and check the box next to that file info, and then you get a success message that model file info saved. Okay, now once we have this success message, return to your installation window. Go ahead and click on recheck, and now the requirement check passed. Okay, so you've successfully enabled the file info PHP extension in your cPanel account. For more tutorials like this on cPanel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future updates.